Today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S5. Yes, it's 2015, it's last year's model, but I didn't want the new one. So I got this one. So let's take it out of its sleeve. You can pause the video right there. I'll hold it there long enough so you can see what's in the box. And then just some more information about it. And then here's the outside with the wood grain and the big 5 in it. Samsung Galaxy S5. On the left side it says Samsung Galaxy S5. On the top there's nothing. On the right there's nothing. On the bottom there's nothing. It says printed in Mexico. Back to the left side, nothing on the bottom. Then we just take off the top here. And there it is, the Samsung Galaxy S5. So now I'll take it out of the box and put that aside. Very nice phone. Now let's dig in. Take out the little tray, peel up. I have the little booklets from Get to Know Your Phone from Verizon, Samsung Galaxy S5. Then it comes with earpods. Very nice, with a little volume rocker and a button and a microphone. I guess the button is for like changing songs or skipping them. Has a little power brick. Very nice. Very nice Samsung power brick. Yep. A lot of plastic around that. And next, underneath this little flap, we have the USB 3.0 charger for the phone. Charging really quick. Busy. Shush. So that's it for the box. And then now we're gonna do the phone. So just put everything on top of each other and out of the way. Okay, so here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S5. The reason there was no battery in it, I already put it in and I put my SD card in because I needed to activate it at Verizon. And then it just says on the back here, it says make sure you press down on it, very nice and stuff to keep the water tight. And you peel off the back here. And then there in the camera, you don't see it anymore because I took it off, there's a little square of plastic in it. So you got to make sure you take that off. And then it says Verizon 4G LTE and Samsung or Galaxy S5, little speaker, the camera, the flash, the heart rate monitor, power button, the front facing camera is right there, and the 2 sensors are right there. Can't really see them. The speaker, not the speaker, the talking earphone grill, Samsung. Your indicator light is over here. Then down on the bottom you have your recent apps button, your home button and fingerprint scanner, and then your back button. On the left side you have your volume up and downs, and on the top, on the right side is your earphone, and on the left side is your IR blaster and microphone, I believe. And on the bottom you have another microphone and your USB 3.0 port in the cover, so to make it IP67 waterproof. And now, even though I really don't want to, I'm going to peel off the front little plastic piece. And I have had it powered on, but I think I still need the setup. And I'm not going to show you my Wi-Fi password. and you connecting. It's connected. Next. Oh wait, I don't want to pair phones, sorry. Go back. Go back again. Yeah, no, sorry, I didn't do that. Okay, here, back to setup. So it says email, setup, choose whatever email. I have Gmail. Okay, so skip. Just says tap and go quickly. Copy any Google accounts, backed up apps, and data from your existing Android device. To copy, I don't have an old Android device, so just skip. Just a second. Sign in to get most out of your device. So I don't care if you guys see this. Next. And I don't want you to see my password because nobody knows it. By signing, yes, I accept. Just a sec. Remind me later. Such a long process. But thought since I saw nobody else do it, thought I'd do it because they all just bypassed it. Google services. Whatever. Next. Okay, so I set up that. Okay. Oh yeah, Google. Done. I'm gonna sign up with Google. Don't want you to see my password again. Okay, date of birth. Ugh. 1999, 8. September 8th, 1999. Now you all know how old I am. Zip code. Well, I guess it doesn't matter if you see. Done. Okay. Okay. I have to make a new password, I guess. Oh, here. Progress, okay, tap the link. I agree to all. Agree. Long process, I know. I'm sorry, people. Welcome to Samsung account. Your Samsung account has now been created. You can now enjoy a variety of services. Next. And there we go. My phone is all set up. It's a brand new phone. Haven't used it once except for just now. Wow, it is beautiful. Wow, and kids mode is already on here. I've seen some videos where it says kids mode. You need to download it. Wow. Okay. There's the My Magazine. Just don't want that on here. See how slow it is. Alright, home screen settings. Disable that. Okay. Alright, that's it. See you guys later.